Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your project and selecting the sequence you want to convert. Make sure the timeline is active, then duplicate the sequence to preserve the original. Once done, inspect sequence settings to confirm frame size and frame rate match your target. This avoids scaling or jitter. You also want to confirm your audio sample rate and track layout. These steps prevent surprises during export and set the stage so changing the format later is direct and predictable. You now open File Export Media to access the export dialog. Ctrl+M or CMD+M is fastest. Choose a format like H, 264 for web, QuickTime for ProRes, or HEVC for smaller files. Then pick a preset close to your target resolution and frame rate to save time. Make sure to change the output name to a new file name and check match sequence settings only when necessary. Finally, tweak bitrate settings, VBR1 pass for speed, VBR2 pass for quality, so you control file size and you finish by choosing Q to send the job to Media Encoder or export to render immediately in Premiere. Monitor the render and then inspect the output file in a player or use Media Info to confirm codec, resolution, frame rate, and audio track integrity. If you encounter playback stutter, color shifts, or missing audio, make sure the renderer is set to Mercury Playback Engine GPU acceleration, clear media cache, and try exporting a short section to isolate the problem. These steps will resolve most common export failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.